This is a beautiful scene. How did I achieve it, you might ask? Well, I'm going to show you the simple and easy way of taking your iPod, iPhone, iPad earbuds and rolling them up to make it really easy to carry them and undo them. You can use the same exact technique with your other cords too if you like, but this way you could even keep them in your pocket and undo them. It is very easy to have a tightly wrapped, nice and neat earbud for your iDevice, or you can even translate it on to things like your charging cords. You can carry this safely in your pocket, it holds together, and it comes apart really easy as well. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not too hard. Now, you notice here on your earbuds, if they're official, you should have a little connector, and that connector here you want to pull all the way up to the top and then connect these two together. Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to lay it across your hand, just so these hang off a little bit. Then you're going to loosely but firmly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did a little thinner. You can do different sizes. Wrap it around your hand. You're going to slip it off and keep it together. Hold it tightly together. You need that tightly together. And then, this time not loosely but tightly, you're going to wrap this around until you get to the very end where you have this cord, and you're going to loop it through. Then, not holding the earbuds, but holding the whole thing, pull a little bit to tighten it. And voila. It's that easy. You can play with it, make it however you like. You can put this in your pocket, you can put this in your case. There you go. I hope I helped you out. This is Patrick, Coroloro. Have a great day.